finished result exceeded our expectations. Even though the rendering was exactly what it looked like, to actually see it all come together from little samples to the full finish, to me was kind of like a pinch me moment. It was 8 months of hard work, finally visualizing it and touching it.
Think of how it could have gone better. They came in on budget. They came in on time.
Conscientious of our time and polite.
It was pretty easy working with everyone at Chapter. When we had the permits, everything was so easy. We didn't have to be in Florida to manage everything.
We had a clear plan of what was going to be done, how much it would cost and how long it would take, and Chapter has stuck to all of that. It was on time, it was on budget.
We would 1,000% recommend Chapter. We actually already have.
I would recommend them with no hesitation.
I thoroughly recommend Chapter.
And it's really true. I would recommend them to any person.
Thank you, Chapter, for coming into your home
Thank you.
and making it exactly the way we wanted.
Yep. Thank you for turning our dream into our dream home.
Hopefully we'll see you in the next reno.
Bye.